Today, I'm going to show you the upgraded Buvel stools. Buvel has improved the standard round stool, the round XL stool, and the square stool, making them stronger, smoother, and more durable for everyday use. In this video, I'll show you the three models: the standard round Buvel stool, the larger round XL stool, and the square Buvel stool. All three are compact, lightweight, and adjustable to different heights. The most important upgrade is the adjustable rings. Previously, each ring was made from separate parts that were clicked together. In the new version, every ring is made from one solid piece. This makes the construction stronger and more stable. Because the rings are now made from one piece, the stool opens and closes more smoothly. There's less friction between the parts, which makes the stool easier to use and less sensitive to wear. Using the stool is very simple. Pull it open to the height you want, twist it to lock it, and always check that it's securely locked before sitting down. To store it, simply unlock it and push it back into its compact shape. The standard round stool is ideal for travel, camping, events, or short breaks. The XL version has a larger seat and is great if you prefer a little more space or a higher sitting position. The square version offers a different seat shape and can be comfortable if you prefer a flatter, wider seating surface. The Buvel stool is also useful indoors. You can use it as an extra seat while putting on shoes, doing small tasks around the house, or wherever you need a quick and compact seating solution. Outdoors, the compact design is very practical. The stool is easy to carry and useful for camping, fishing, festivals, walking, gardening, or simply when you're on the go. The upgraded Buvel stools have also been tested according to EN 581-1 and EN 581-2. These are European standards for outdoor furniture, including tests for safety, strength, and durability. The tested Buvel stools received a pass result. So the upgraded Buvel stools are compact, easy to carry, smoother to use, and additionally tested for safety and durability. A practical seating solution for home, outdoor use, and professional situations.